Double cup, become straight, holy nuts. I don't want friends, I want.
What's good everyone, it's your favorite Komodo here. Today we are going to look at a $900 productivity and gaming build. Unlike the other two videos I made on my channel, this PC is going to be focused mainly on aesthetics and productivity. Why productivity? Because if you are a photographer or a YouTuber or just a video editor, you need a CPU that is capable of editing 4K videos fast and that can minimize the export time. Alright, let's go and see the parts for this PC, shall we? For the CPU we have chose the Ryzen 7 2700. You may be wondering, why not choose an Intel CPU? That is because, Ryzen CPUs have more cores, and they are working better at productivity than Intel CPUs do. And also they are cheaper. Alright, so the CPU has 8 cores and 16 threads, so as I've said, the CPU is perfect for productivity. It comes clocked at 3.2 GHz and can be boosted at 4.1 GHz. It also is rated as a 65-watt TDP CPU and it comes with a stock cooler that will do the job just fine. For the GPU, we have chosen the ASRock RX 590. It has a dual fan cooler, it comes with 8 GB of VRAM and it is base clocked at 1469 MHz, with the boost clock up to 1560 MHz. It is 278.81 mm long. Why not an NVIDIA GPU? Because you don't need a top-of-the-line GPU to do some productivity since productivity is more CPU intensive than GPU. And also you can buy more of the same GPU down the line to make a Crossfire build. Crossfire is like SLI but for AMD GPUs, that means you can use almost any motherboard that is Crossfire capable, add up to 4 GPUs and bam you have Crossfire. Regarding the motherboard, here we have an MSI B450 Tomahawk. It is an AM4 based motherboard. It supports up to 64 GB of DDR4 RAM clocked at 3466 MHz. It is Crossfire capable, it has one M.2 NVMe slot, and it has this beautiful gunmetal color on the VRM and chipset heatsinks. But not to forget, a nice strip of red LEDs on the right side of the motherboard, which I think adds a nice touch of personality to this motherboard. As a premiere on our channel, here we have the Intel 660p series AM.2 NVMe drive. It has 1 TB of storage, and it has speeds up to 1800 MB per second, that is, of course, read and write. It is the M.2 2280 model. Once again in our series, we have the Corsair Vengeance LPX, clocked at 3000 MHz. Here we have a personal favorite, the Fractal Design CTG. That DG over there stands for tempered glass. It has a nice PSU shroud and some very nice ventilation. It is an ATX mid-tower case, and it can support a maximum video card length up to 315 mm. For the power supply, we have chosen a very nice and high-quality EVGA Supernova G3750W PSU. It is 80+ gold certified, it is fully modular and it is in an 80X form factor. But why chose this PSU and not a smaller one? Because this PC is overclock capable, and we want it to last as long as possible, without any problems, and you can add some more GPUs, and for that, you will need extra power. Once again, we have almost reached the end of this video. If you would like to check out today's build, you can do so by clicking on the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and until next time, don't forget, stay cool.